Hey guys, I had this combination switch, the right side combination switch for headlight and indicators, upper dipper and indicators. I changed it with this one with a little bit of wiring mods and some connections. I'm now able to control my media. This I've set it to mute, volume, channel change. सुनाते हैं। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आरजे कनिका @rjkanika on Instagram। वैसे भी गाने सजेस्ट करने से कितने अच्छे से इन्होंने इन कपड़ों को वॉश किया है, एकदम साफ सुथरे दिख रहे हैं। पक्का इनको ऐसे में उसका पति। So driving is a much more easy peasy, a little bit more concentrated on the road, eyes on the road while controlling the media. Since I have a 2014 version, it didn't come as stock, either no steering controls like the 2015. So I got this job done at Tiger Motors thanks to Amod. Cheers.